Yes, ma'am. I have finally booked the ticket for mom and I to be able to travel out of the Philippines. Hello everyone, good morning. I just finished with my breakfast. I got drive-through in McDonald's. It's 10 a.m. Yes, it is pretty late for breakfast. Meljane woke up at 6 a.m. today, and today we are going to be able to pick up mom's passport. Yes, I am very excited. I'm so happy. Finally, the day has come and I can finally book our tickets because tickets are getting really high. So we're gonna pick up mom in her workplace and then we're gonna go to Pacific Mall. That's where we will be picking up her passport. She actually processed her passport in SM Seaside, Cebu, but I'm not sure why we're gonna pick it up in Pacific Mall. I haven't been to this mall, so I'm not really sure like how is it there, but we shall see. Hello everyone! So finally we've arrived here in Pacific Mall. We went upstairs already. It's on the 4th floor, the Department of Foreign Affairs. And by the way, I got super stressed driving here because first it was very traffic. Second, they blocked the road where you can turn right to get inside the mall parking. Third, we had to go all around fudge because we don't know where's the entrance, guys, since they blocked the main entrance. And we went over there thinking that that's the only parking they have, but it's full. We had to go. It was super chaos. I was really stressed out. Anyway, finally mom got her passport. Oh my gosh, ta-da! Hi guys, mom got passport now finally. And then let me see, it says it will expire January 25 of 2033. So yes, that's 10 years. You can use this, you can travel for 10 years. Yeah, that's a good thing that it is now 10 years. Before it was only 5 years, I think, so you have to renew and renew, but mine I already got 10 years, so that's good. Are you ready to travel? Where are we gonna travel? Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. Okay, so yeah, I can finally book our ticket. We are going to do that today since tickets are pretty high now. Okay, now our problem, where do we exit? Oh my gosh, it's so traffic here in Mandaue, guys, and I don't have any clue like where's the entrance and exit and whatever. It's so chaotic. Everyone, good morning. This is the next day. Vingle is here.
Good morning, everyone.
Okay, so happy Valentine's Day!
Hey!
Today is February 14, and I think you guys will be able to see that we have a bouquet of flowers in the back. I'll show that to you guys later because we are
Heading out.
heading out. We are in a hurry.
Why are we in a hurry?
Because
Because I still need to sleep.
yes,
Just kidding.
Vingle needs to sleep at the same time.
Ooh.
We have to get her wedding dress.
I thought we already have one. No, we decided to
Is that
change
cake
it.
for me, guys? Charot. So this is a continuation of Vingle's wedding in search of wedding dress.
Actually, we already have one before, but we decided to change it, so we're looking for a new one.
Yes, that's correct.
That's how it is.
Because I think they have new stuff, right? Newly released one. And maybe we're gonna check another, the Boson Bride.
Yeah.
We're gonna check another boutique maybe. Because we saw on Facebook there's something better.
Oh my god, it's so traffic.
Yeah. I thought it's not gonna be traffic anymore because it's 9.
It's Valentine's, Mom.
Yeah, people are going
9,
to
10, 11, even on regular days, it's always traffic, but that time.
fudge. But it's not that traffic as earlier. Earlier I was actually stuck.
Was 7.
Yeah, because people are still
7 when
going. Yes, maapil juga ta. Alright guys, so we're done here in Bows and Bride. Vingo was able to pick up her dress finally, and I was also able to get mine as well. So Vingo is just doing a down payment now to secure the wedding gown because it's happening pretty soon. Pretty soon. Look, they have a lot here. Hi. Happy Valentine's Day. Duh. Valentine Day. Guys, look, oh, they have a lot here. Ta-da! Hi, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Look, they're still doing the dress. I like this one, actually, it's nice. Okay, hi guys. So finally, we were able to decide. Well, Vingo was able to decide for her wedding dress, so that's final. She will have her fitting on the, well, when it's near her wedding. All right, so I'm back here in the room, and by the way, since it's Valentine's Day today, I was able to receive a bouquet of flowers, and I'm so happy, so I'm gonna share that to you. All right, so when I picked up Vingle, this morning, she was carrying a bouquet, and I was thinking it was for her, but actually it was for me. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. So she gave me this white roses. Ta-da! It has gold wrapping, and yeah, it looks so pretty. Thank you so much, Vingle. She's very thoughtful. This is her gift for me this Valentine's Day. And then aside from that, I got another one as well. Alright, so second bouquet, guys. Look how pretty it is. It's color red. We have red roses and one sunflower over here. This one is coming from my mom and my sister. So yeah, they loved me so much. They gave me this bouquet of flowers. I'm so happy. So I have 2 bouquets, guys, this Valentine's Day. Thank you so much, Vingle, mom and sis. I love you guys so much. And again, to every one of you that's watching right now, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys will enjoy this day, not just with your loved ones, not just with your partner, with your boyfriend, girlfriend, but also with your family and the people that you love. So I hope you guys enjoy this day.
The perfect summer is over in a flash, and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yeah.
So I just did a bit of work. This is how my February 14, just another day in the life. It's actually raining currently. It has been very gloomy. I think there is another low pressure here in the Philippines that's affecting Visayas and Mindanao, unfortunately. But all is well. I hope all the lovers are able to book like an indoor kind of setup for their dates. Anyway, alright, I just want to share that I have finally booked the ticket for mom and I to be able to travel out of the Philippines. Oh my gosh, guys, this has been my dream. Like ever since I was able to go out of the Philippines, it has been my dream that I should bring mom to go another kind of world, to go see another kind of country. So this is it. It's finally happening. It was pretty pricey, I would have to say, the flight, especially because it's near, like the date's pretty near, but that's okay. Like this is gonna be my birthday gift to mom, so I'm very excited. I already told her about it, that I've already booked and it's gonna be this date, and she was so excited. So yeah, I'm excited for her to finally see another side of the world. It's gonna be very exciting. Oh my gosh, hopefully everything goes well with immigration and the flight and security and immigration in this country as well. So yeah, hopefully everything will be successful. I'm very positive though, that it will go smoothly, and yeah, I cannot wait for this to happen. It's finally happening, guys. Finally, Lord. Thank you so much. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do something like this, like making my dreams come into reality, like, bringing my mom out of the country. So I was super nervous booking it, but it's done. It's finally done. We got our airfare, we got the hotel as well. All right. I'm so happy. Hello everyone, good evening. So, if you're single this Valentine's Day, like today, February 14, 2023, then don't worry, let's have a date, okay? So, I ordered my dinner, so I have here pizza. This is pepperoni. I was thinking of going out. I invited a few of my friends, but they're gonna have their own dates, so I don't wanna butt in and ruin their date. So we're gonna have a date, guys, okay? You guys are going to keep me company. I have here my mocktail. I forgot what this is called, but that's how it looks. Let's try it. Oh, that's bitter. Anyway, I have, this is my mix in yellow cab. Hot chicks chicken, Alfredo pasta, and some bread. Ta-da. Guys, let's eat. Bon appetit. I have here my flowers. The other one didn't fit in here, so we'll work with this bouquet. I love the color red because it looks really sexy. It's very romantic, so we'll add this red touch. So you know what? Valentine's Day is just pretty much a regular day. Well, for me, every day is Valentine's Day, so we have to celebrate each other. I know that I have shared with you guys about eating alone makes me really anxious, and I find it really awkward, and I was actually very happy that I was able to open up that one to you guys, because I was not expecting that there are also some of you that are experiencing that. So I'm glad that I was able to share, because you guys were able to resonate that experience. So yeah, I hope that it does help you. I think it's really okay to be alone, to eat alone, and to enjoy your own company. For the past few days, since my Baguio trip, it definitely made me enjoy my own company. Like, I'm okay to be alone sleeping. I'm okay to eat alone. to drive alone, to go somewhere alone. It's totally fine for me now. Like before, I'm never going anywhere if I'm alone. I need to have someone, I need to contact someone, see if they're available, otherwise I'm not going. So the Baguio trip really helped me a lot, so that was really good. And that was a really good start for my 2023, especially that we will be embarking in a new journey. Yes, we will be traveling along this 2023, guys, and I'm very excited and looking forward for it.